What if the future of coding isn't human at all? AI models like OpenAI o1 are rewriting the rules and the code. But is this the end of programming as we know it, or just the next chapter in our technological evolution? In today's video, we'll take a look at OpenAI's latest leap forward, the o1 series. These advanced AI models are designed to think more deeply, reason through problems, and handle complex tasks in coding, science, and beyond. But as these models get smarter, questions arise. What does this mean for the millions of coders, developers, and software engineers around the world? Is AI about to take their jobs, or is it opening the door to new opportunities? Let's break down what makes OpenAI o1 so revolutionary. Unlike its predecessors, this AI doesn't just spit out answers, it reasons through them. Picture a model that approaches coding like solving a complex puzzle, carefully evaluating each move before it makes a decision. It's not just faster, it's smarter, and it's proving itself by passing coding interviews at rates that would make any seasoned developer proud. But here's the crux. Models like o1 are exceptional at automating code generation, debugging, and problem solving. For many in the coding world, this feels like a direct threat. Imagine spending years mastering a skill only to see AI do it faster, better, and with zero burnout. It's not just coders feeling the pressure, every tech sector is watching closely, wondering if AI will be the disruptor that reshapes entire industries. If you're a coder, this probably sounds daunting. You might be asking, is my job on the line? And if you're not in tech, you might think, why does this matter to me? But here's the thing. AI's influence extends beyond those on the immediate firing line. From automating everyday tasks to revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and even creative fields, this is a shift that will touch everyone. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Some experts argue that AI, rather than replacing human jobs, will evolve them. Coders won't vanish, they'll adapt, focusing more on oversight, creativity, and integrating AI solutions. In fact, AI might make coding accessible to more people, lowering barriers and expanding the field in ways we've never imagined. Think of it like the rise of calculators or automated design software. These tools didn't eliminate the need for mathematicians or architects. They changed how those professionals worked, allowing them to focus on higher-level tasks. AI could do the same for coders, transforming the role into something richer and more nuanced. So, is OpenAI o1 the harbinger of doom for coding jobs, or a stepping stone to a new era of human-AI collaboration? The answer might be a bit of both. As AI continues to evolve, so too must our approach to education, employment, and the very nature of work. One thing is clear: the future of coding and countless other fields isn't just about learning the latest language or framework, it's about learning to work alongside the machines that will soon become our most powerful tools. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the cutting edge of AI and its impact on our world. If you found this thought-provoking, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Are we headed for a coding crisis, or an AI-powered renaissance? Until next time, keep thinking critically about the tech shaping our future.